crowd. You're the only face that I see. You're the only voice that I hear. Only one that I need. When I'm underground, you're the only light that I see. You're the only air that I breathe. Oh, and my heart beats for you. And I just wanna say, you brighten my day. You make me feel right in so many ways. Whoa, the only fish in the sea. Together we're in harmony. The one thing that I need is just you and me. 'Cause you're my missing puzzle piece. Luckier than winning the lottery. Oh, you're one in a million to me.
Hi everybody, it's Saturday. The weekend is here. It's a cold Saturday. I figure I'd venture out, get some coffee. Excuse me. Maybe make Rocky a cup of coffee as well. Get some coffee for both of us. She's around taking care of kids. So I'll get out of here and make coffee before she comes back. It's freezing today. Ooh. I mentioned snow yesterday. I suppose there were some drops of rain falling from the sky. So, all right. It's time to make some coffee. As the reservoir top fall off again. Let me get everything I need. Actually, no, this isn't right. Let's do it. It's time for coffee. Oh, shame on you. It didn't work. Let's try again. It's time for coffee. Much better. Let me get the tools I'll need for this cup of coffee. My stir stick. Set that right there on the counter. What the? It's backwards. Today is Saturday, and that means here at our household, Saturdays mean Snickers coffee. Got it? Put my pod here, and I can go about readying the cup. And yeah. We went from having warm weather and thinking that spring was right around the corner to now bitterly cold weather. Hopefully some coffee will take the chill off of our bones and and do this. If the sugar will fall out of the packet and into the cup. Let me grab the creamer. And pour this in. The cup's almost ready now. You know, come on. Into the cup you go. Come on, creamer. Add a little flavor to our coffee. All right. A strong cup of coffee will erase the chill from our bones. Almost lost our pot again. There you go. Put that in here. Close this. Strong 12-ounce cup of coffee. It's going to take about 3 minutes to heat. Coffee maker doesn't want to wake up either. It's a cold, cold day here. I'm not even sure what the temperature is right now, but yeah, it's bitterly cold as I stand here. As Kermit is removed from my throat by force, it is freezing. Walk around to keep some heat in my bones. our room is starting to heat up. We excuse me. We have one of them oil-based heaters that you plug in. So we turned it off the other day because it was like spring weather, like 80-something degrees. And it snowed and didn't know what the weather was going to do. And it gave us this freezing day. So we had to finally turn on the heater. And it was so cold. So Rocky went out. He's like, you know what? I'll just take care of things. Why don't you go make us a cup of coffee, and by the time we come back, the room will be warm. Alright, honey. That sounds like a plan to me. Coffee. Oh. Let's mix this up. Stir stick, stir stick. Oh, this coffee smells so good. Good. That's nice and hot. Put the top on that. Let me clean off this stir stick. Excuse me. There. What the heck? Let me see. Let's see if our room warmed up any. Thought there was an extra step, and there wasn't. Yes, honey, it feels a little bit better now. Want some coffee? You're welcome. Gonna test it for the people. Good coffee. You're welcome.
Hey everybody, it's a very snowy still Saturday morning. I am Jackie wanted to go to the mall even though it's too snowy for my little van to get out. She's got a 4-wheel drive, so she begged me to go with her, so I am. She needed a few things. She's going on a business trip pretty soon, so she's also going to be going ski with us, so her and Deshaun did move in with us. They moved into the apartment upstairs there. And Deshaun's around somewhere. I think, oh, he's at the Nike store. Okay. He's always there at the Nike store. Buying more Nikes. But then again, the job he does, I can understand. He's an IT guy, so. She has really been begging to go to Louis again. So we don't have one here, but if we move to Colorado, which we might be doing, we're discussing that. Lonzie and I are discussing moving there because good influence, good influence, but good benefits for our kids and good school program for our kids. They have autism centers there our kids can go to. Good day program for James. James is also with me because he was having a pretty rough morning, so he's hanging out with me and Jamie. Got his iPod on and he's just walking around. He likes to walk around a lot, so this is his way of feeling better when he feels. He's upset because it's snowy and he wanted to go to the day program today, but he can't. It's Saturday for 1 and 2. It's snowy. So we've been at the mall for a while, and Jackie wanted to go to Red Lobster for lunch. She wanted to treat me to that. So Jamie's worker came and got him and took him on an outing. So we were just here at Red Lobster, and Rich gave him, I guess Rich gave her the gift card for that because Lonzie just came in and joined us, which is nice. The kids are all spread around. Some kids are off at a friend's house. They had our church had a lock-in last night, even though it snowed. They had a lock-in, so they're they had one tonight. I'm sorry, not last night. Duh. They're getting ready for the lock-in tonight, even though it snowed. Apparently, it doesn't bother them much. Just, I understand that. Ow, my arm. Oh, itches. Really itches. So anyway, they're getting ready for the lock-in. They're hosting a lock-in in we have a home church at home that we do sometimes. They're hosting it there, in our gym. So, it's not like they're going very far, but they're getting ready for that, decorating it and getting some food ready and all that. I went to visit Emmanuel. He's doing really good. He's sitting up a lot more now and wanting to play, and I brought him some toys. He's not at all in ICU now. He's just in a room. He is coming home probably on Monday or Tuesday or something like that. We don't know yet. Hoping Monday or Tuesday. Hey guys, so even though it's snowy, we're here at the park with the kids. They're going a little zooey from being indoors so much, so we're here at the park. It's not like as snowy as it was. It's getting better. The sun is out, so we knew this could happen. We knew that there would be a problem with snow. So Jackie went to Wegmans for me to get some groceries because we were out of things that we really needed. The thing is, I hope she gets the right thing that we use, because if she gets the healthy alternative, I'm gonna be like, Jackie, are you serious? Really? 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 You know, sort of thing. But, anyway, we're doing pretty good, just hanging out, letting the kids play a little bit in the snow. Caleb, is that fun? Caleb's not sure about it. Hey, Aiden, you having a good time, aren't you? He's playing. So they were driven to about all the crazy weather, and so we're just letting them play. We're expecting more snow. I'm not sure when, tonight or tomorrow. I don't know. But, I don't know how much I'll be able to record for you guys. I will do what I can. I really hope we don't get any more snow tonight, but we might. Hey guys, so we're having dinner and everything. The kids had a really good day. They're going to their lock-in just a minute. And, we are expecting more snow. Lonzie just checked the weather. He's like, babe, I tell you, we're in for more snow, which is not anything new to us. We've had snow before. We were hoping not to have snow again, but you know what? And if we move to Colorado, which we are planning on doing probably because our kids really need a place that is going to offer more help with their autism and their physical needs, it'll be super snowy there in Denver. So here we are having dinner with everybody. All our parents are here. His mom's here. My mom's here. Rich's parents are here. So it's just a nice night to just hang with family, be cozy, you know. The thing about our school here is because our schools are our property, even though we have snow, our kids still get to go to school sometimes. As long as we let a snow day happen, but, you know, the way it is. Is that good, honey? So, yeah. So the kids are doing well. They are off to their lock-in the bowels of our house in the gym, way downstairs in the basement area. Rich and Lonzie and I years ago made it into a sensory gym, a gym, and an area for our church. So the kids could have a good time down there and all that.
Pluto TV now. Watch now. Crime drama movie pause button.
Anyway. So, we're just getting dinner done and all that, and enjoying our dinner. Hey guys, it is Sunday, and it has snowed again. Look at this. We have it started snowing last night about 9, and it's still snowing. It's still very windy. And they're calling.
Vote. Answer call. Pause button.
Sorry guys, my sister called. But look at all this. There's at least 15 inches down here. Oh shit! Almost fell. I walking my dog, and it's really hard to walk him because. Oh honey, I'm sorry, Bosco. Oh, Bronx, I'm sorry, baby. My Lonzie's dog is Bronx. Nick and Haley, I think, have one. I'm not sure what their dog's name is. And Rich has one named, Bosco, and one named Betty, which is him and Daisy's dog, so. We're down here. Like, crap, I can't see. Oh! Whoa! Look at this, you guys. It's super windy. Which means we could get a blizzard tonight. Actually, Lonzie said we probably would, because he got a warning on his phone just now. Great! Another blizzard. Holy crap. Oi! We're gonna fall. Anyways, just walking out here with the puppies. And Honey's right here with the other puppy we have. He has one named Buster, and I've got, no, I'm wrong. Nick and Haley have one named Buster. They're right behind us. And then we have one named Bronx and one named Bailey. Bronx is a boxer, pit mix, and Bailey is a Basset Hound boxer mix with Great Dane. Come on, Bronxy. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry, honey. I know you don't like that mean old snow, do you? I'm sorry. It's really packed hard, too. And if the blizzard comes down, we'll probably get, about a foot or more. So look at this, you guys. Look how snowy. There's ice packed under that, too. Whoa! Holy crap, I almost fell. So see all this? Oh my god. So if my kids go to school, they have to go to school in our big bus because it's got all-wheel drive on it. James is like mesmerized. Hey, Jamie, you mesmerized by this stuff? He was a little upset because his day program doesn't work on Saturday or Sunday, but he's okay now. Huh, buddy? You okay now? It is freezing cold. It's like 10 degrees over here. Oh my god. Wow. And we're supposed to go skiing today. So I'm hoping we can with the kids because it is snowy. So we'll see what happens. It's good how they deal with it. Didn't go to church this morning because it was too snowy and cold, so I wasn't about to get the kids out in that. We did church at home, which is fine. Huh. This is really hard packed over here. And then this area over here is even harder. Whoa, Nick, careful! Woo, he almost slipped. Him and Haley both almost fell. Thank God for all of us back there. There we go, guys. We're gonna go back in a second and probably get the fire turned on. And I'm gonna make some soup today because it's really cold. I don't know if we'll go skiing or not today because it is colder than we usually go in the skis. I mean, it is colder than it usually is, so when we go skiing, so. It's a beautiful day, but it's just really cold and snowy, and we just got another blizzard warning, so yeah. No, over here, guys, it's packed with ice and snow. But we might go sledding, actually, because it might be easier to sled than ski. So it's really, really snowy right here. See all that? It's really hard packed. It might be a little hard to sled on, but if we do go skiing, it'd be here at home, because we got all the stuff we need for skiing down a big hill or something, so. Mom. What, James? I want to go skiing, Mom. Down our hill here. We'll see, okay? Well, guys, it's here. We do have a blizzard here. Look how bad it is. Yeah. Oh, God, Rich was teasing us. Lonzie and me were, like, freaking out because we're like, oh, my God, no, a blizzard. But no, it was just, he played some wind on his legs.